Hello, this is Michael Kinnett with Iternal Networks, and this is our 6th video in our how-to series for 6 simple tips to improve your cybersecurity. Make sure you go back and catch any of the previous videos that you might have missed. Today we're going to be talking about backup and how it relates to improving your cybersecurity. And I'm going to break down this video into 2 different sections. First, I want to explain the different types of backup, and then I'll talk about the different options for backup locations. There are 2 types of backup that I'll discuss here: file-based backup and image-based backup. File-based backup is exactly what it sounds like. It's a backup that backs up your files, and it only backs up the files and folders that are selected. Some backup applications will attempt to automatically search your computer for specific file types like .docx or .jpeg or .pdf, and then back up those files. Other backup apps will only back up the files and folders that you specifically select. If you want to back up your documents folder, then you have to make sure you select that folder in the backup settings when you're configuring it. If you're using a file-based backup, you need to make sure that you know exactly how it works and that you have selected everything that you need to be backed up. The second backup type is image-based backup. Image-based backup will back up the entire hard drive as an image of what the drive looks like at the time of the backup. These backup types can be restored as a complete image, or it can be opened to extract specific files or folders. This is the best option for fast recovery of an entire system and is recommended for servers and critical systems. Not all image backups are created equal, so make sure you understand the limitations and recovery options of the different apps that do image-based backup before you select one. Now I want to take a few minutes and discuss about different backup locations. Now, just to be clear, you can have a image-based backup that backs up to different locations and a file-based backup that backs up to different locations. So these locations apply no matter which backup type you select. The 3 I want to discuss are local, offline, and cloud. Local backups could be backing up to a USB drive, a network-attached storage device, or just to another internal hard drive on your computer. This provides speed and convenience, but it may not protect your data in the event of a ransomware attack. Ransomware will attempt to encrypt anything that it can get its hands on, including USB drives, network drives, anything that your computer can connect to. Some companies that are hit with ransomware find that all of their local backups are also encrypted, and they have no way of recovering any of their data. So you want to make sure that you're aware of that as a limitation on local backups as the only backup strategy. Another type is offline backup. Offline backup requires manual interaction. It can also be a USB drive, but it can also be other types of removable media like DVDs or Blu-rays. Once the backup is completed, the device that contains the backup has to be manually disconnected from the computer or taken offline to make sure that it can't be affected by any ransomware attack. That means it's a very manual process, and also you run the risk of not having the latest data. If your last offline backup was done a month ago and you haven't done another offline backup, then you stand to lose anything after that backup or 1 month's worth of data. The third option I want to discuss is the option that I would recommend. This is cloud-based backup. It provides the best protection and is what we recommend to our clients. It can be automated and it can provide both local and a cloud backup copy. If your local data is lost, corrupt, stolen, damaged, deleted, or ransomed, your cloud backup copy is still safe and can be recovered from any computer with an internet connection with your login credentials for that app. The best cloud backup solutions also include ransomware detection to provide notification to you if they detect any files that have been encrypted, and provides options to quickly recover those files once you get your ransomware removed from your computer. I only skim the surface on backup solutions today. If you have any additional questions, please comment below, and I'd love to answer them and hope to see you soon. Thank you.